Assalamualaikum, hello guys, how are you? I hope you all have a good day. We are from the group 7. Let me introduce myself and my team. I'm Siti Mursalina and my friend there is Nuraida and Nurasikin. We will presentation about three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object has length, width, and depth or height. By their nature, it has an inside and outside part, separated by a surface or flat figure or plane. The objects around you, the ones you can pick up, touch, and move around are three-dimensional objects. Cube, cuboid, prism, pyramid, sphere, cone, and cylinder are three examples of some other three-dimensional objects. Okay, the first speaker is Nuraida and the second speaker is Nurasikin and the next speaker is me, Siti Mursalina. Happy watching guys, good luck.
The following explanation contains the name of several third-dimensional objects. First, cube. There are face diagonal, space diagonal, vertex, and edge. The second picture are the net of the cube. Characteristic of cube: 1. Has 6 identical faces. 2. All faces meet at 19-degree angle. 3. 12 edges which have the same length. 4. 8 vertices. 5. 12 face diagonals. 6. 4 space diagonals. 7. 6 diagonal faces. Cube is also named square primes because it has same base and side. The next third-dimensional object is cuboid. There are space diagonal, face diagonal, edge, and vertex. The second picture are the net of cuboid. Characteristic of cuboid: 1. Has 6 rectangular faces. 2. The opposite faces are identical. 3. 12 edges. 4. 8 vertices. 5. 12 face diagonals. 6. 4 space diagonals. And 7. 6 diagonal faces. The next dimensional object is cone. There are cups, curved face, circular face, and curved edge. The second picture are the net of cone. Characteristic of cone: 1. Has 2 faces. There are a circular face and a curved face. 2. A curved edge. 3. Does not have vertex. but it has cups. 4. Does not have face and space diagonal. 5. Does not have diagonal face. And 6. Cone is also called a pyramid that has circular base.
Okay, well next I will explain about the cylinders. We can see that cylinder is three-dimensional space which has two chord edges, which are above and below. One chord face that is inward, or what we also really call a dinket, and two circular faces that are above and below, which are commonly called bases, but the cylinders have not vertical and diagonal space. Okay, next, the tree is a ball which is also a three-dimensional space, which has the same distance from its surface to the center, has a round face and a center point. The ball also does not have edges, vertical and diagonal space. Okay, next. Well then, tree is a triangular prism, which has 9 edges, 6 vertical and 6 diagonal, consisting of 2 triangles and 3 rectangles, but the triangular prism has not diagonal space.
Okay, the next material I want to explain about pentagonal prism. In the picture, there is pentagonal face, vertices, rectangular face, face diagonal, and edge. The second picture is the nave of pentagonal prism. Character of pentagonal prism. Point 1. All pentagonal prism has 7 faces. Number 2. Has 2 pentagonal bases and 5 rectangular sides. 15 edges, have 10 vertices, 20 face diagonals, 10 space diagonal, and 5 diagonal faces. Next, triangular pyramid. In the picture, there is edge, triangular base, vertex, and triangle face. The second picture is the net of triangular pyramid. Characteristic of triangular pyramid has 4 identical faces. The 3 side faces are triangles. Base is also a triangle. 4 vertices, has 6 edges, does not have face and space diagonal, does not have diagonal face. The various names of pyramids are determined by their base. Next, about square pyramid. In the picture, there is edge, vertex, square face, and triangle face. The second picture is the net of square pyramid. Characteristic of square pyramid. Point 1 has 4 identical triangle faces and a square base. Has 8 edges, 5 vertices, 2 face diagonals, does not have space diagonal, and does not have diagonal face.